Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. 2006 Z06. Absolutely beautiful. It's red. It's got a black and red interior. Headers, Corsa exhaust. Other than that, it's completely stock. Got the original owner's manuals. This car runs fantastic. Nice lumpy sound to it. Corsa exhaust makes a nice difference. And with the headers, really nice. Definitely sounds fantastic. It's got the polished wheels, red calipers. Beautiful, beautiful condition. A little over 13,000 miles on this car. Added K&N air filter, headers, and Corsa exhaust. Other than that, it's completely stock. Black and red interior. Again, literally like brand new. Heated seats, 6-speed manual. Tinted windows, heads-up display. Seatbelt. Runs and drives perfect. Absolutely no issues. Fast. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. We offer financing and worldwide shipping. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.